Hello everybody, today we are going to talk about path parameters. On the left side, you see a person using a laptop. This person represents the client, which can be an application or a website. In the speech bubble above the client, you see this request, get/users/42. This is the request the client is sending. Now look at the center of the image. You see the same URL written again, /user/42, but this time it is split into two different parts. Users is the resource type. This tells the server what kind of data we are working with. In this case, the resource type is the users. The second part is the number 42. Below it, you see the label path parameters ID. This number is not random, it identifies one specific user. Different numbers means different users. Now, if we follow the arrow that's going to the right, is labeled with request with path parameter. This shows that the number 42 travels inside the URL as part of the request. And on the right side, you see the server. Inside the server, you see a single user card. On that card, it says ID 42 and name Alex. This shows exactly what the path parameter does. The server reads the number 42 and knows which user to return. So based on this image, a path parameter is a value that is placed directly in the URL path to identify a specific resource. Until next time, see you!